What would happen if there was an ice age or even a blizzard?
You know what? I really don't know, but you know what? Let's find out. Come on.
Yeah.
To survive, how would we eat? We would fight for survival and maybe looting or other important goods. We will go back to hunting and pick what vegetation we have.
How will we keep our house warm? If you have a fireplace, keep it going to your best abilities. Keep all doors closed. Except ones with pipes. Keep them open, such as bathrooms and kitchen sinks. And have lots of blankets wherever we sleep.
What kind of transportation will we use or even have? We will use snowmobiles, cars. Some people could walk, and we can use snow sleds. Some cars will have chains on their wheels.
I can do it like that.
Yep.
What kind of clothes will we wear? We will wear as many clothes as possible and a snowsuit, gloves, goggles, and the boots. Thank you.
Gloves, jacket, goggles, hat, boots, suit! How would animals stay alive? Most animals will bury under the snow, and some in trees. Others will find a cave or sleep in a pile. A pile. How would we communicate? We will use CB radios, some cell phones, and other ways of communication such as walkie-talkies. Here are some of the communication devices that we will use. Laptops, tablets, walkie-talkies, phones, some radios, other radios. What would happen if someone got hurt or injured? They would have to stay warm, wrap their wound, and if they didn't, it would turn blackish or bluish, just depending on the cut. And if you didn't get enough circulation in the blood flow of the body part, then we'd have to cut it. What countries would survive better than the others? Russia, and Canada, and Alaska, Antarctica.
For Mother Russia, my friend.
For Mother Russia, my friend.
Yes.
Ba 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 ba. Boom. There are 6 steps to survive a blizzard. First, make a storage container for the blizzard. A plastic container with wheels works well since contents may be heavy. A suitcase with wheels is another option. Step 2. Include lights in the blizzard survival kit. Lights include flashlights, batteries, long-lasting candles, lanterns. Buy lanterns that are safe to use inside. You can find these things at your local superstore or at your camping store. Candles, batteries, flashlights, any other things you might need for that. Step 3. Add warmth to the blizzard survival kit. Warm things include blankets, hand warmers, extra gloves, socks. An emergency blanket is like a small compact blanket that is waterproof, portable, and reusable. Hand warmers are similar to ice packs that you break and shake to reduce heat. If you do go out in a blizzard, which I would not recommend, I'd make sure that you would wear extra long socks, tube socks, big poofy jacket, long hat or bigger hat, things to keep your head warm. Put a prepaid disposable cellular phone, radio, or other electronics in your kit. A cell phone battery can die or be misplaced at any time when you need it the most. So add a prepaid one that remains in the kit. Add a radio so that you know it works. You can choose the hand crank or battery-powered radio. Step 5. Buy non-perishable food to include in your kit. Food that works well and Blizzard Survival Kit included canned food, dried goods like oatmeal, beans, rice, snacks. Pack your family's favorite snacks to keep their spirits up. And the last step to survive a blizzard or any ice age? Step 6. Add water purification tablets to the Blizzard Survival Kit. Water tablets can be found at several places from Amazon to Dick's Sporting Goods. Don't worry about the water, there'll be plenty of it outside that you can melt.